It's October and we're going to plant up some alliums. We know that there are certain alliums that will come up every year. So there's 3 types we grow: Purple Sensation, which I'm going to show you, Christophi and Spirocephalon. So we're putting all 3 into separate pots. So this is the Purple Sensation. So this is our size pot, and we start off with a bit of soil in the bottom of the pot. Now, I tend to grow mine quite deep. It says, if you look it up, what those bits are, get rid of those. If you look it up, it says at least 4 times the depth of the bulb itself, but I tend to grow mine a bit deeper than that and doesn't seem to do them any harm. It's not quite deep enough, so I'll just put a bit more of this on. But that's about it for me. So you've got to make sure you've got it the right way up, obviously. So there, that's the bottom of the bulb, and that's going in there. So we're just going to see how many we can get in here. Probably be able to get quite a few around the edge. So I'll put some pictures on of what these look like, so you know what they're going to look like. So these are Purple Sensation. Get one there, and so those and that one in the middle, and then simply a case of fill it up to the top. So you can see that this is old compost that we're simply reusing again. Doesn't do it any harm at all. We reuse our compost a lot, and we'll put that one a bit on top as well. It's a bit wetter than the other one. So that's it. And we label it up and we leave it, and next spring, early summer, we'll have a great display of alliums. Today I'm planting Allium coanii. These are a very small allium, as you can see. So we've specifically got this type of pot, so it's quite a shallow pot, which would suit them. We put some crocks in the bottom over the hole just to keep good drainage, and here is a bit of compost mixed with some gravel in there, so that we can ensure the drainage is good. We get a lot of rain here in the winter, and that's what will rot our tulips or alliums. So we just spread that out there. And then we plant these, just making sure that we're the right way up. So I'm going to go round the edge of the bowl. Like that. Again, just got to make sure I've got them the right way up. That one's not the right way up. I think that one was wrong. Okay, so they're very small, so you just got to double check you have absolutely got them the right way up. Okay, and I'll put 3 small ones in the middle there, that way and that way. Okay, so they're in now, so we're going to pour the rest of this on top, like so. Spread that out a bit. Now, we're also going to put a layer of gravel on top. You don't absolutely have to do this, but we like it for 2 reasons. We get squirrels who tend to like our alliums and bulbs, and we'll dig them up. And if you do get a lot of rain on it, it's absolutely fine. So spread that out like that and label it up and wait till the spring.